Today I will show you how to combine shapes in Figma. So we have this polygon and rectangle shape. I put rectangle inside of the polygon a little bit and we will combine them. So first we need to select both of these shapes and we need to go here to boolean groups, and to unite them, to combine them, we need to click flatten selection, and now we have one vector. But what happens is these shapes are still not one shape. We have still two shapes inside of this vector. So what we actually need to do is first let's undo this and let's select them both again and go to boolean groups, and first you need to click union selection. Now this goes into one shape, it combines them, and then you need to click right click, and you need to, because here in union we still have two shapes, so now after union we need to click right click and click flatten, and now this is one shape that's united. When we double click we can see it is one shape, and that's it.